ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 28 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೂಟಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಿಲೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೌನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. Second one, the first railway line in Karnataka was established in the year dash. Answer is 1864. Third one, the district with least number of district roads in Karnataka is dash. Answer is Raichur. Fourth one, the port that is called the gateway of Karnataka is dash. Answer is Mangalore. Fifth one, the West Coastal Railway is called dash. Answer is Konkan Railway. Next heading nodi makla. Second one, answer the following questions in brief. Arali first question nodi, explain the importance of road transport. Answer is, a large number of people of rural areas in Karnataka are use this transport. This link the villages and towns. Roads can be constructed easily at the low cost. People and goods can be transported to every corner of the state. Development of road determines the progress of the state's agriculture, industry, mining and commerce. Next question nodi makla, name the different types of roads in Karnataka. Answer is, different types of roads in Karnataka are, first one is national highways, second one state highways, third one is district roads, fourth one is village roads. Okay, next question, what are the advantages of air transport? Answer is, advantages of air transport are, air transport is the fastest mode of transport. It helps to carry people, mail and lightweight goods to distant places in the shortest time. Air transport is of great help during natural calamities, wars and other emergencies. Next question nodi makla, name ports of Karnataka. Answer is, ports of Karnataka, Mangalore Port, Old Mangalore Port, Malpe, Hangarakatte, Kundapura, Padubidri, Bhatkal, Honnavara, Tadri, Belekeri, Karwar. Next heading nodi makla, match the following. First one is golden quadrilateral. Answer is NH44. Sharavati Bridge. Answer is Konkan Railway. Third one, nationalization of air transport. Answer is 1953. Fourth one, Konkan Railway. Answer is Mangaluru and Mumbai. Fifth one, Namma Metro. Answer is Bengaluru. ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಲೆಸನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸು ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೀಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.